We have been gathered here today to get insights and have interesting, meaningful conversation.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sumit Monga from Unlimit. I am heading the government affairs and the Northern Zone for them. We are an IoT services startup under the Reliance at&t.
I'm Anup Wadhwa from the Automation Industry Association, and along with IIT, we are part of at&t.
Hi, I'm Rakesh Rawal. I work for a company called Benani Industries.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Uttam Bose. I'm from Siemens.
Very good afternoon to all. My name is James Wei. I come from Singapore.
My name is Arun Kapoor and I'm CEO with Luxor Writing Instruments. I've been using writing instruments every day.
And your contributions today and in subsequent meetings has got real value that you will see along the way, because whatever ideas, contributions that you give to the team, they were effected on the ground, and that's where you see real value.
So we want IIoT India 2019 to be a platform where we can have a learning experience, where we can come together, collaborate, and have meaningful meetings.
This entire initiative and effort, that is the need of our. It has to be transformed into a pull system rather than the push. Today it is a push. Association with academics and association with industry, where we can really leverage upon the strength of being a low-cost solution.
As we bring those sprints up, right, we have some use cases ready with us.
The other thing is, I think we still have this connectivity challenge.
If we can have more emphasis on bringing it together or different use cases as much as possible, the kind of system integrators, because there should be a connect of who can they go and talk to, probably will increase the adoption.
Give me monthly rentals, but infrastructure as a service, you can get started from day one.
The connectivity, the common services, all that needs to be covered in the IoT services.
There should perhaps be a lot more sensitization among manufacturing companies that the products that they churned out, they have to come with connected products. They have to be with smart and connected features.
Yeah, at least
because that's where you have an impact on revenue. That's where you can actually take customer experience to a new level.